Less is more when it comes to being productive during the workday. Stick to the basic for reaching productivity. Hello there, how are you? Welcome to this channel. I'm Afreen. So today in this video I'm gonna talk about productivity. How can you be more productive? So according to Forbes, there is some amazing ways you can be more productive. So number one is cut down your to-do list. This is really important, guys. Don't make a long to-do list. Make to-do list which you really know that you can do during the day, that you are sure about that you will gonna be accomplish all of them. Otherwise what will happen that if you are not going to complete all of your things what you have write down in your to-do list, what will gonna be happen in the end of the day is you will look after what you have not done during the day, and then you feel unhappy, you feel less confidence, you will not satisfy with your performance, you will definitely think that you were not productive during the day. So that's why don't make a long to-do list. Make to-do list which you know that you can accomplish in just and the number two is to take more break. So to do work more effectively and efficiently, it's most important to take more breaks. So yes, after taking break you will feel more refreshed, recharged, and you will ready to do work effectively and efficiently. And the number third is use your morning time to focus on yourself. Now this point is really amazing and true. If you have noticed that in the morning we feel more energetic, more fresh till lunch, so use this power of your energy, use this energy for your priority task. The number four is tackle your challenging task before lunch. So like I said before, till lunch we feel more fresh, we feel more energetic, our brain is so fresh. So whatever challenging, difficult work you have or whatever pending work you have, just do this before lunch. The number five is stop multitasking. Now it's true that we women are gifted with multitasking talent. We have this talent inbuilt, but it doesn't mean you will do everything just in one time. If you can't focus, then just skip it. If you are comfortable to doing 2-3 works in just one time, and if you see that it's gonna be give you result, it's giving you result, then do this. If it works for you, then do this. Otherwise don't do 2-3 works just in one time. At one time, try to do one work at one time. Now last but not least at all is plan your next day at night. Now this really works for me. This always works for me. Whatever I'm gonna do tomorrow, I always plan that at night. I just plan my next day, or you can say I just draw my next day completely. What I'm gonna do in the morning, what I'm gonna do in the evening, what I'm gonna do in the afternoon, I'm gonna do after my lunch, after my breakfast. Everything I draw in my mind already. So what happens is when next morning I wake up, I don't have to waste my time to think or to plan my whole day. There is I have already time which I have saved just one night before, where I have already planned everything. So I have that time, sufficient time in the morning, so I just make that time productive in the morning, because I already said that in the morning we have more energy, we are really fresh, we feel so energetic, so we can do really difficult works and something works which we feel lazy after lunch. We can do that works in that time of period in the morning. That's how you can save your time in the morning and you can make that time more productive. Just if you really want to make your time more productive, you don't have that time and you want to do lots of things and you don't have that time, so please follow all these ways. I am sure that you are going to make your time more productive. So guys, I hope you like this video. This video is helpful for you. If it does, then please give it a like to this video and also do subscribe to my channel and share this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.